at something. How you gonna eat off camera?
Because you're in the middle.
Come on, Arthur.
You're in the middle.
I can scoot over.
Drop seafood.
Oh wow. It's a
Don't
whole
drop
bone.
seafood. Don't drop seafood.
You gotta go over the rug.
I know. The rug is.
Come closer, honey.
I'm good. I don't want to step on that. I'm gonna mash into it. What's that? That's a lime, right? That's a lime.
I thought it was avocado.
I don't know. It could be the. No, I think that's a lime.
We'll taste it and see.
Okay. Wow.
I thought it was avocado.
I smell this. I smell this.
I know that garlic or the wine.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Basically, good. I don't want to eat all the shrimp from you here.
Eat it all. Eat it all. Let's see which one is here. Again, coated. I like mine coated.
I'm eating the onions. My God.
If it's not coated, I don't really care for it. Lime.
That's lime.
I know it was lime again because you always eat all the daggone avocado.
That was lime.
Lime doesn't stay. Avocado doesn't stay long around you.
Oh, make sure you dip the sausage in it, honey. That's turkey. That's turkey sausage.
Okay. I'm looking at the claw again.
You can't see that.
The claw. Okay. Let's go down to business.
He needs scissors.
Oh. Working it, baby. Working it. Working it. See? I'm working the meat.
We'll be here all day. He's so persnickety.
I still gotta make.
Chicken.
Make my.
Arthur's gonna finish.
Let me see what we got here.
You gonna lose a tooth?
Well, they make replacements. Coated.
Isn't that good?
That sauce just
I know.
stays. It stays.
It sticks right to it. That's magic. He did good. He's using scissors.
Hey, oh, y'all looking at me. Time.
No.
What?
Really?
What?
Oh my
Man. I mean, damn, let me eat.
God. Stand this thing. That's the next one.
That thing is broken, ain't it?
So,
The legs are broken.
no, they come off, but it's like I have it out of alignment.
Synchronicity. Not my beef kielbasa like I like it.
Well, I like beef too, but I just went in the freezer and got one.
You like beef too? I know. You know.
Mm-mm.
I'm trying to get some beef. Anyway, I know you like the beef kielbasa.
Well, I found some more meat.
I always seem to avoid it.
Ha ha. Oh, look.
Oh, big piece. There you go. All right.
That's like a natural salt that the king crab comes with.
Well, when they cook it, I think that.
Oh, really?
A little bit of salt. Yeah.
Dang! Okay, B-Love, your little sauce was good, but that Carter sauce is right in the game with you. And that's why we like variety, everybody, because you can support multiple businesses.
Where's the cracker? I'm gonna go ahead
Right
and use
here.
it. Oh,
You can always, everybody's sauce tastes different. And that's what's good, that everybody's sauce tastes different. Thank God.
it's good to have a variety.
Good. He said, good to have a variety. Which one? I'll do it, baby. I'll cut it.
Oh, you got it? Oh.
I'll cut it. Let go.
Let me sit here then. Let me see.
It's hard to cut. Mr. Author, I can't do it. Don't cut yourself. Oh, I can't do it. Oh my God.
In a restaurant, they probably be looking at you crazy. Like, really? You can't get it? I'm gonna put this right here.
Hold it up while you do it.
Right there. Okay, there you go.
You can't break it again, babe. You're doing too much. You can't break it again.
Well, you probably can. Cut that right there.
Up higher so you can see I cut the knuckle.
Okay.
See, it's hard to be a YouTuber. You got to always remember there's an audience watching.
Well, I'm not a YouTuber. Well, I'm not a YouTuber. Oh, God, this thing's hurt. Okay. I don't eat king crab like that much. It's trying to get past the little prickly things.
Spikes.
Oh.
Now we use scissors.
Okay.
I got halfway there.
I thought you were gonna feed me. You were gonna do all that.
Yeah. Someone to watch over me.
Well, I had a hard time. Having a hard time cutting. Having a hard time. There you go. Okay.
I'm glad I didn't do this one up in the bowl. Because I've been here all day.
Yeah, it's fine.
The claw is harder.
That's why people don't do the claw.
Oh my God.
I don't want to do it on camera.
That's crazy. Oh, look, it squirts out water. Look. Oh. He probably did not want to come out the ocean. He was probably fighting.
Meat. I need the meat.
Oh.
I need the meat out of this thing, all right?
It's breaking the scissors. You can't do this with your teeth.
Okay.
Do not lose your teeth.
Well, don't break the
I
scissors.
got it. This is ridiculous.
use my hammer.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I use my hammer.
Wow. Wow. Look at what's in that claw. No wonder. The greater the gift, the harder the shell. It was like, I do not want you to find all that good gold. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You did it for me. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome, lovey. The claw was like, it's mine. Now. Ooh, that was some kind of How's it going?
Oh, good.
You dip the butter? I mean, you dip the...
I did. Can you hammer something off on me?
Won't be fresh or fast.
Huh? Okay. That's when you're hammering.
Okay.
I would never say that on your YouTube channel. You can hammer it in. Hammer it out. Thank you for hammering that for me.
Those are good.
I can see why, people buy them when they're already deshelled, because it's a lot of work to get into it.
And I'll say, thank you, Mr. Author, for buying them for me for day 7. I really appreciated that. Because he's about to give up on me. But we forged through, and I sure appreciate it. You can't be doing the little pieces, man. Get to the big stuff.
I am. It's in the big stuff. It's all big stuff. Everything small. Can't...
Anybody fool with that, Author?
Wow.
Mm-mm.
Wow. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh.
You done? You let me know when you're done. I know I'm doing this. I don't need to be bothered with. I'm doing me. Oh yes, okay. Oh. They already saw it with the first one. There you go. What? Show my back. Oh.
I found some meat. See how salty it is? Oh.
I still like it though. It's tough. People love it. It's good. It's good meat. But that's kind of hard to get into.
I'm so full.
All right. And that right there is the golden right there.
Push further to the camera, please.
That right there is the claw.
Jeez.
What's left of it from being bashed in.
I'm not watching.
Stuff. I'm gonna call your name. I'm gonna dip it in the Carter sauce. Everything. There you go. Sticks.
Aww.
You want a bite? Now you looking dead up in my mouth.
Okay. Dead into your mouth. Okay.
Man, sometimes I just want to eat it.
Enjoy it.
Without sauce, because it's got a nice flavor to it.
Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm.
Your mama would love that.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Don't like her that kind?
I think she tried it and didn't like it because it was too hard to fight and to get into
The
it.
crab legs are too hard to fight.
And crab legs. She hadn't had that Dungeness crab yet.
Maybe she has because we did take her some.
No, she hadn't had it yet.
She ain't had it yet.
Mm-mm.
We need to make
So
it.
it's in the freezer. Sure. All right.
This boy done skinned the bone. Jesus.
How about the bone? King crab. Done.
Boy,
That's good.
it was good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for coming to 7 days of seafood. Hashtag Cannon. Y'all got it, man. We love you. Oh, say it.
Greasy chicken.
Take it easy, greasy.
Mm-hmm.
You got a long way to.
Clyde. All right.
Thank you for joining me, Mr. Arthur.
No problem. No.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.